Welcome to the world of trading, where the markets are constantly shifting and emotions run high. As a trader, it can be difficult to stay calm and focused amidst the chaos. But what if I told you there was a way to trade with clarity and composure? Enter the little book of Trading Calm, written by renowned trader Yvan Byeajee. In this book, Yvan shares his insights on how to develop a successful trading mindset and navigate the markets with confidence. With practical tips and real-life examples, the little book of Trading Calm is a must-read for any trader looking to improve their performance. Emotions are an inevitable part of trading, but it's important to keep them in check. When emotions take over, traders can make irrational decisions that lead to losses. For example, a trader may panic and sell too early or hold on to a losing position for too long because they're hoping it will turn around. Developing emotional control takes time and practice, but it's essential for success in trading. One way to do this is by setting clear rules for yourself and sticking to them. For example, you might decide to only risk a certain percentage of your account on each trade or to exit a trade if it goes against you by a certain amount. Having these rules in place can help you stay disciplined and avoid making impulsive decisions based on emotions. A trader's mindset can make or break their success in the markets. In fact, many successful traders attribute their achievements not to their technical skills, but rather to their mental fortitude. A winning mindset is one that is disciplined, focused, and adaptable. It allows traders to stay calm under pressure, make rational decisions, and learn from their mistakes. Developing a winning mindset is not easy, but it is possible. One way to do so is by adopting a growth mindset, which involves embracing challenges and viewing failures as opportunities for growth. Another important aspect of mindset is emotional intelligence, or the ability to recognize and regulate one's own emotions as well as those of others. By cultivating emotional intelligence, traders can better manage stress and maintain a positive outlook even when things get tough. Patience is a crucial attribute for traders looking to achieve long-term success. In the face of market volatility, it can be tempting to make impulsive decisions based on fear or greed. However, taking a step back and waiting for the right opportunity can lead to better outcomes in the long run. Developing patience requires discipline and a willingness to stick to a well-thought-out plan. Traders should focus on their goals and avoid getting distracted by short-term fluctuations in the market. By maintaining a calm and patient approach, traders can make more informed decisions and avoid costly mistakes. Self-reflection is a powerful tool for traders seeking to improve their performance. By taking the time to analyze past trades and identify areas for improvement, traders can make meaningful changes that lead to better outcomes in the future. One effective way to engage in self-reflection is to keep a trading journal. This journal should include notes on each trade, including the entry and exit points, the reasoning behind the trade, and any emotions felt during the process. By reviewing this journal regularly, traders can identify patterns in their behavior and make adjustments as needed. In the little book of Trading Calm, we've explored the importance of emotional control, mindset, patience, and self-reflection in developing a successful trading strategy. These are not just abstract concepts, they are practical tools that can help you navigate the ups and downs of the market with confidence and clarity. By cultivating emotional control, you can avoid making impulsive decisions based on fear or greed. By developing a winning mindset, you can approach trading with a sense of purpose and determination. By practicing patience, you can stay disciplined even in the face of uncertainty. And by engaging in self-reflection, you can learn from your mistakes and make meaningful changes to your approach. These are powerful ideas, but they are only the beginning. The little book of Trading Calm is full of insights and guidance on how to develop a successful trading mindset. I encourage you to read it and discover for yourself the transformative power of these principles. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and we will catch you on the next one.